What's up guys? In this episode I continue working on the bow side decks of the Galleon. Let's get into it. Off camera I had to do a small workaround because I did not fix properly the middle deck. So using these two clamps I added a small bend to it, and hopefully by now the glue should be all set. Let me remove these and see how it looks so far. So I think it looks pretty good so far. So now let's start attaching the next pieces. While these are drying, I will start working on the last piece of deck from these 4 magazines. So the final deck piece of this set of magazines is now finished. I will set this aside until the glue properly dries, and in the meantime I can start attaching the other larger deck pieces. First though, I will file down the holes, so inserting them will be much more easier. So the other deck is now also glued in place. I will clean up the excess glue. So using these 2 larger clamps should keep everything in place while the glue dries. I can in the meantime trim off the excess pieces. Now I'll apply 2 coats of stain and a clear coat, and that should complete this part as well. This is how it looks, so I will set this aside until it completely dries, and in the meantime glue on the final beams of these 4 magazines. So I will set this aside until the glue completely dries and end the current episode. So thanks for watching guys, and till next time, take care.